Kylie!
That team facing in front lang, hindi ating mga judges, okay? These are our judges, and we smile, okay? Show them your scariest look. They'll be the one to judge for their release. Yes. Walang magtatago, lalo na yung mga naka-all black, huwag kayong magtatago.
Before we start, we can have a raffle thing for our raffle game.
Kita.
Have the back for the raffle, please, Joy. Wait lang. While we're waiting for the judge, we're going to have a raffle, okay?
Okay, judges, meron na ba tayong napili?
Okay, so later po natin i-announce yung mga napili ng judges natin. Okay, so...
Picture mo siya ni Tita.
Kita, kita. Kita, dali.
Joy.